Have you ever found yourself wondering if a robot or a smart machine might one day take over your job? It's a question that's on the minds of many people, especially as technology continues to advance at a rapid pace. The idea of robots replacing humans in the workplace can be both fascinating and a little bit scary. But is it really something you should be worried about, or is there another way to look at it? It's a common fear, especially with all the headlines and conversations about artificial intelligence or AI, making waves in the news and across social media. Stories about machines getting smarter and automation changing industries can make it seem like the future is uncertain for engineers and other professionals. But here's the truth. For young engineers like you, it's crucial to realize that AI isn't your enemy. In fact, it can be a powerful partner. AI is a tool created by people, for people, to help solve problems and make our work more efficient and creative. When you work with AI, you're not competing against it, you're teaming up with it. Instead of taking your job, AI can actually become your greatest ally in the ever-evolving world of engineering. Imagine having a super smart assistant that can help you analyze data, automate repetitive tasks, and even suggest innovative solutions you might not have thought of on your own. That's the real potential of AI. Think of AI as a powerful new tool in your engineering toolbox, one that can help you tackle bigger challenges and achieve more than ever before. Just as you rely on wrenches, computers, or design software, AI is another resource to help you do your best work. You wouldn't be afraid of a hammer or a computer, right? In the same way, there's no reason to fear AI. It's all about how you use it. The more you understand its capabilities, the more confident you'll feel working alongside it. The key to success in this new era is learning how to use AI effectively. By embracing new technologies and staying curious, you can unlock opportunities that weren't possible before. Training, workshops, and hands-on experience will help you master these tools and set yourself apart. By adapting to change and gaining new skills, you'll ensure that you not only keep up with the curve, but stay ahead of it. The future belongs to those who are ready to learn, grow, and work alongside technology, not against it. AI is already transforming the way engineers work. From automating repetitive tasks to analyzing massive datasets, AI is making engineering processes faster and more efficient. This means that engineers are now free to focus on more creative and complex problem solving. AI can help engineers design better products, optimize systems, and even predict potential problems before they occur. But this doesn't mean that human engineers are obsolete. In fact, the demand for skilled engineers is higher than ever. So how can you make sure that you're prepared for the future of engineering? The landscape of engineering is evolving rapidly, and staying ahead means being proactive about your growth. Whether you're just starting your career or you're a seasoned professional, it's important to recognize that the skills you need today may not be the same as those you'll need tomorrow. The future will demand adaptability, curiosity, and a willingness to embrace change. The answer lies in developing the right skills and continuously updating your knowledge base. Lifelong learning is no longer optional, it's essential. This means seeking out new training opportunities, staying informed about the latest industry trends, and being open to learning from both successes and failures.